Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make almond milk. Which today, if you guys like almond milk, you can make this by yourself at home and you don't need to buy it. But you'll need 1 cup of almonds. We're going to put it in this bowl. And then we're going to wash it 2 to 3 times. Okay guys, we're going to wash it. Guys, see here, you'll see that the water is a little bit yellow, orange-ish because it's dirty. Almond dirty. We have to wash 2 to 3 times. The second time. Final time. Washing machine mode. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we're done washing. Wow, almond clean. Guys, you have to put in drinking water and then leave it for 6 to 8 hours, or maybe leave it overnight if you want. It'll be big fat almond. I guess I'll just put it here. Okay guys, this is the big fat almonds that I left overnight last night, which was the night before I did this video. And wait, look at this one. Look at what I did. Blender with the almond and 3 cups of water, or maybe 750 ml. Okay, time to pour. Can we get that F&F music when we blend? Okay. E. Now time to blend. Oh yeah. Okay guys, I'm going to use a sifting bag and this sift, but when I use a sifting bag, like the big piece of almond make it hard to squeeze toward the water. So I'm gonna use the big piece of almond and use this to get out the big piece of almond. Holy milky. Yeah. Chug. Okay, now we're going to use a spoon or a silicone spatula to like make the almond milk go down. Almond milk. Guys, look, there's no milk left. No water left. We can use the rest of the almonds over here to make almond milk for baking or cooking or whatever. Okay guys, now I'm gonna squeeze this. Got the almond milk. Now we're gonna put it in this jug. Guys, we got almond milk starting from here until here. From almond to milk. We have the milk and we can turn it into plant-based matcha latte. I'm gonna taste it. Tastes pretty good. So, in the next video, if you want to see me make plant-based matcha latte, please leave a like in the video and view it a lot. So, if this video hits 50 views and 25 likes, no, 24 likes, I'm going to make matcha latte in the next video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!